Today I'm going to show you how to make chicken parmesan. So I got egg here, just battered it up. Got breadcrumbs. I'm going to pour salt and pepper over it, both sides. I'm going to dip it inside my egg so I can coat the chicken. Then I'm going to coat the chicken after it's been coated with egg. I'm going to coat it with breadcrumbs. I'm going to melt this butter and then I'm going to cook the chicken on each side until it's cooked well done. And I'm using Hill Country Fare boneless, skinless chicken breast tenders. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. Okay, so we did salt and pepper on this side. Now we're gonna flip it over. Coat the other side. I'm gonna coat it with battered egg. Now we're gonna put breadcrumbs on the chicken. This is the breadcrumbs we're using here. And this is the sauce I'm gonna be using. And then we're just putting the medium heat. Gonna melt the butter. Okay, so I ran out of egg. And this is how it's supposed to look right here. After you salt and pepper both sides. And then coat your chicken with this egg. Put in the breading. Once you get the breadcrumbs all over it, just like this here, you want to set it off to the side. Then we're going to go ahead and start laying them inside there. Just like that there. And again, this is homemade chicken parmesan. And I'll show you how to put the cheese on it. I'll show you when we start making the sauce, and then, because we're going to do chicken parmesan and spaghetti. And then I'll keep you updated. So about 3 to 4 minutes on one side, then you flip it over. And this is what it's supposed to look like. Okay, so I flipped it to the other side. I did 3 to 4 minutes. And I'm going to do 3 to 4 minutes on each side. I'm going to keep flipping until I see that it's fully cooked. And then as you can see, I need to add more butter. So you're going to have to do that too as you're going through this process. As the bread soaks up the butter, you're going to have to just keep adding butter. And I'll show you that here in a little bit. Okay, so I'm on my second batch. I added more butter. Got my spaghetti noodles going because we're having spaghetti and chicken parmesan. 3 to 4 minutes each side until it's cooked on medium. I've been doing 3 to 4 minutes on each side, like I said, until I see that it's ready. Okay, so I'm just cutting my mozzarella cheese, just cutting it in half. So I'm doing that way I can put them on the strips. I already made both of my batches. Got my Prego sauce. I'm just gonna kind of coat the bottom. Just like that there. gonna lay my strips in here. I'm gonna lay my strips in there just like that. And then you want to coat both sides with this sauce here. Just bear with me, guys and girls. Just gonna coat both sides, just like that there. Okay. Once I do that, I'll set this off to the side. So I cut my mozzarella cheese. I'm gonna lay them over that, just like that. And I'm telling you, it's gonna be nice. It's gonna melt in your mouth. Trust me, you're gonna love this stuff. This stuff is really good. We make this all the time. My kids love it. Alright, so once you got your mozzarella cheese on there, just gonna cover it. Once your cheese is melted, that's it. They're ready to go. Okay, so after about maybe, I don't know, it's probably been about 5 minutes. You can see the cheese is melting. I may let it melt just a little bit more, maybe another minute or so. But that's what it's supposed to look like. Just like that there. This is gonna be so delicious. Okay, that's how you make homemade chicken Parmesan cheese. And do not forget, I'll say it again, do not forget to put some Parmesan on there. That's a must. Just like that there. And I'll put some on the spaghetti. That's just how I eat mine. And this is gonna be a very delicious meal that you and friends or you and your family would enjoy. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you.